The embodied intelligence represents a form of AI that interacts with the real world. The global humanoids market is set to reach $38 billion by 2035, and the number of humanoid robots is likely to reach nearly 1 billion by 2050. However, empowering embodied intelligence faced significant challenges with the data collection and a variety of operation contexts. China Telecom and ZTE unveiled the 5G-A EasyOn robot private network to facilitate robot generalization by leveraging high-bandwidth millimeter waves. The solution is core network-free, integrates with an edge device synergy architecture, utilizing a plug-in MEC node engine to execute essential 5G core functions. It provides a simplified, robust, cable-free connectivity network that enables robots to move freely across various scenarios while maintaining real-time, high-quality data transmission. The solution also empowers multi-robot intelligence collaboration with standardized interfaces and seamless coordination. The WAIC 2025 showcased both robot-to-robot and robot-to-connected retail shelving operate in perfect harmony, and the network enabled seamless streaming of high-definition video in real-time communication. EasyOn Robot supports scalable and intelligent connectivity, and was also deployed to facilitate robot performances at WRC 2025. EasyOn Robot will facilitate robot companies' more cooperation in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, retail, and agriculture. China Telecom and ZTE will accelerate the adoption of 5G advanced powered private network globally and write a new chapter in the future of artificial intelligence.